I hope my audio, video, and presentation is visible. Is it okay?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So let us start without wasting even a second because I have only 10 minutes. So in the inaugural session, our main panelist, that is our today's guest faculty, the Puneet Mehtaji told about two aspects. One is about reporting and other is about data entry. Unless and until data entry is correct, there will not be any reporting, correct reporting. And please remember, any accounting software has got two aspects only. One is data entry and other is reporting. We can use AI in data entry as well as in reporting. So today I'm going to discuss one particular aspect of Tally, which is very less known aspect and which increases the speed of voucher entry to a great extent. First of all, let us understand about intelligence. We all know what is intelligence, but still, as per Google, the definition of intelligence is ability to understand, learn, and think. So it is understanding, learning, and thinking. This is what we expect from machine. When we talk about AI, artificial intelligence, it is actually ability to understand, learn, and think by a machine or a software. And technology should be, many a times it is generally said that what technology should do and what it should not do. Instead of solving the problem, many a times technology creates a problem. Just before my session, my electricity went off and I was terrified how I will deliver the lecture. So technology should be able to solve the problems of a person who doesn't understand the technology. This is the basic requirement of AI, and AI will serve this purpose. So technology should save efforts and technology should save time. Now I'm going to show you one solution to the burning problem of most of the chartered accountants. What is this burning problem of every chartered accountant in a smaller city like me? Accounting data of small traders and professionals. Accounting data of small traders or professional is a big, accounting of data is a big problem for chartered accountants, and that is required for income tax return filing. Client does not have any accountant, and the chartered accountant is supposed to do every little thing including accounting that is related to compliance. I hope this is the case with most of the chartered accountants. And please remember, in such case, the bank statement, accounting of bank statement takes a major part, and it is a major part in overall accounting process. So I'm going to explain and show a live demo of how bank transactions can be recorded in Tally very easily, and this burning problem can be solved. So what is the solution? It is a super fast way of voucher entry in Tally, and we will see it in action right now. आज आत्ता ताबडतोब. This is a Marathi dialogue. If you don't understand Marathi, I will translate into English as instant. So we are going to show this demo instantly. This is my Tally screen. I have created a company. It is a company with very less number of vouchers. If you have got a client and client has come up with his or her accounting bank statement, you can import that bank statement very easily, very quickly. How? Let us understand how it can be done. Some of you may think that this is not AI feature, but it is actually AI feature because it qualifies all the or most of the requirements, most of the characteristics of AI. It is not labeled as AI by Tally also, but I consider that this is an AI feature. I am going to this banking. I am going to bank reconciliation. I have created a bank ledger here. Bank statement. There is an option here. There is an option here. Import. I am going to this import bank statement, and I am importing this bank statement into Tally. It may take few seconds to import because of Tally is now connecting with the Excel file. The bank statement is already imported. Bank statement is already downloaded in Excel file, and now Tally is getting connected with that bank statement file, reading the bank statement file, and now it is importing the data. The time taken will be dependent on the number of transactions as well as the bank statements. Some of the bank statements are a little bit complicated. Some of the bank statements are easy to read for Tally also. So Tally has got the format of most of the nationalized bank as well as private banks also. So you need not do anything to set the format. You just need to download the file, download the bank statement from your bank only. And once you download the bank statement, now it is importing. You may check. Importing transactions. Now the transactions are being imported, and you can ask this to your any of the accounting staff. Total entries in the bank statement 35, reconciled 0, additional bank entries 3. I am pressing enter. Now what I need to do? to record the transaction. Currently, there are few entries recorded. Now, for recording these transactions, what I can do on right hand side, there is a button here, create voucher. I am just going to this create voucher and I am selecting it is a payment voucher. So I am selecting the debit ledger. Let us say office expenses and I am pressing Control A to accept the screen. Even the narration is also written by Tally. This is 1613. I am just pressing Alt J to create a voucher. Alt J is the shortcut key. Now this is a capital entry. It is a payment. It is a withdrawal. So this is the case with most of the small traders or professionals like architect, doctors, etc. When we are required to file their income tax return, we find it difficult to record the transactions. But this method will make your work very easy. Now let us consider this. This is Alt J. One by one, it is a bank charges. So one by one, we can go on and record all these transactions. I just need to press Alt J and select the debit ledger only. I am just selecting the debit ledger and saving the transaction. Now, what are the advantages of this system? Let me explain it to you. What are the advantages of this system? How it is saving our time and efforts. Advantages of this system. The advantage number one is that no need to set date. You might have seen that I did not set any type of date here. No need to type the amount. Amount is also considered by Tally. Date is also considered by Tally. No need to type the narration. I need not type the narration. Narration is copied by Tally automatically. No need to select the bank ledger. Bank ledger is also selected by default and you cannot change that bank ledger. No chance of duplicate entry. If one entry is recorded once, you cannot record it again through this system. Manually you can record definitely, but through this system you cannot record it duplicate. No chance of missing a transaction. Let us assume that there are 10 transactions of withdrawal of rupees 5,000, because generally we withdraw rupees 5,000 from the ATM. In such case, you may make entry twice or you may miss entry. So there is no chance of making a duplicate entry or missing a transaction. No chance of mistake in debit credit. Your accountant must not understand debit and credit. Automatically Tally is considered what should be debited, what should be credited. Means you cannot debit a bank account in case of payment. That is zero possibility. Now there are two major advantages of this system. Data entry time is reduced by 90%. AI should save your time and efforts. Yes, it is saving. And 100% accuracy, even if your accountant is a trainee. Accountant cannot make a mistake because there is no scope given by Tally to commit a mistake. So these are the advantages of this system. I am ending my talk in just 7 minutes 30 seconds before time.